Thank you, listeners. 876-926-2178, 926-8631. Let me come to 2178. Good morning.
Yes, sister. Hello?
Who that in your background? The man from United States till the day? Eh? Turn on your radio and come, Miss Lucy.
Yes, me come now, me come.
The man is still there?
That's a which man?
The man will carry the barrel.
Yes, sister.
Me hear man voice.
When the man said to me, sister.
Me hear man voice in the background. Is which man there talking?
The radio.
No. Better.
At the radio, church sister, at the radio.
Mm-hmm.
Morning.
Mm-hmm.
Morning foreign, morning Jamaica, morning RGR. Church sister,
Mm-hmm.
we had to talk about Acts this morning with Cornelius.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't talk about food. It was talking about people.
No, that is true. It can be read. It was definitely talking about Cornelius the Gentile when Peter never want to go to him.
Yeah.
But it also can be interpreted as dealing with food.
No, church sister, and they talk about food.
Of course.
Because sister, if you look on the 28th verse of Acts 10, sister,
Mm-hmm.
a people God saying when they talk to Cornelius, but
I'm not disagreeing.
not only the Jews worship God, everybody worship God.
Yes, I agree with you. I agree with you that yes, that is the proper literal interpretation. But I'm also saying that it can also relate to every creature that is made by God. You don't have no right. It's just true you don't eat the pork. You're not going to make it apply to it. You know.
Me not eat the pork thing there. And me not eat the crab and all that something there.
We don't eat crab, you know. It's crab we eat.
Me not eat the crab all them things. You understand me?
Yes.
And then sister, you when they talk about Daniel 1.
Mm-hmm.
What Daniel only even he refused to eat off the king's table. Sister, you know Bible man. Hey!
They
He
know
said
more.
rather take pause and water. And then lock him up for 10 days. That's a revival people when they go in a fast. And then you take and 10 and 8 days.
And when he did eat his own food,
yes, man,
look good. Mm-hmm.
You just shut up and then they go and Daniel. When they come out of the locker room, they're better, fresher,
Yes.
and fatter than all who eat off of the king's table.
Yes.
So you have something to tell you now.
Yes.
You see how Mr. Tufton here, they chat.
Mm-hmm.
If we build 5 more hospitals up on Montego Bay, the amount of fast food the people in them yam, nothing that can hold the people in what they go sick.
Yes.
What me say? Cause all grave a tough woman like me, they go a fast food place to go and fast food. They now put on no pot. As all and tough as they is like me, they now cook. You know what I say? Every fast food, burger this, chips this, until they sit there one.
Yes.
What me say? They now shut there and again. Because they lazy. So me sorry they go to have hospital full. We not the hospital full yet.
I saw a news a bite of the week sometime. I don't even know when it was. I saw it on social media. Where
DJ somebody said it when the man and the woman say hospital have so much lot and they want.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, TVJ for YouTube so I can see his fan. The last 30 minutes they turn over. Look how much your pastor last and all that done. Right. Hey, come here, can tell me no. You are the man. Hey, boy.
Serious.
You talk me.
Mm-hmm.
Church sister, your mommy tell about this man on here, Linval Lucia.
What about
Linval next week, bang, up a hospital road.
Mm-hmm.
Come straight on a parish phone, so.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Linval, they collect people prescription. You only give them a go to hospital or a clinic. Linval can afford to get your prescription. And he collect the medication for you and if you don't have it on. You only direct him where you feel it. If Elder Brother Patrick car shop, or some other more shopping a Lucy and you come collect your medication. Linval gets strokes. Linval up a Lucy hospital.
Oi.
Me they tell you. You know, selling Linval get paid to clean the road. How much here in the clean road, sister? He never take a thing for nobody. He buy one bag and his own broom. He is a member of the Lucy Christian Fellowship Church over people. Linval gets strokes. Me they tell you, if I hear about him, I feel so sad.
So how old is Linval?
You know, I don't know he age. But he's a big man. Big man.
Well,
all my life, me know Linval. He always a people out of the church at Christian Fellowship. And they do your work your way. And before they go down at the poor house too, go help clean up down there. And they feed people too. And
well, the good work that Linval did, people supposed to rally around him. Not true.
Me know the people will rally around him, but me don't say next year come and tell about him.
Yes.
Brother like that
so, but wait, how the stroke affect him? You know what happened? He can't walk, can't speak, what?
Why me not catch up there when me hear from good stores, they catch strokes.
Then when you go up there?
You can't tell me they go because nobody knows me they go up there.
Oh yes, okay. That's like how you have stability.
And brother lied no. Brother lied up a chamber spin. Mommy carpenter. Him no see him sister Angela. She was sick bad on a Westmoreland hospital. Long time she went on there. Well, she gone home. Church sister, me hear no Delhi and no Johnny. What the next one name? They talk about Black Sand Beach. What the next one name? I mean, look, when the one
they Decas?
No man, no Donovan. What the other one name?
So you say who?
You have Johnny, you have Delhi, you have Decas, and what the next one name?
Is who I'm talking to?
Not on the radio.
Yes.
They talk about Black Sand Beach. They don't know Black Sand Beach good.
Me asking DT. She says not Delhi. She says not.
Black Sand Beach, you know, sister.
So it's Kenneth you're talking?
Kenneth, man, thank you. Kenneth was talking about Black Sand Beach and Black Sand Beach. We got no for hand over here. And Black Sand Beach and Better Beach and White Sand Beach. And what a lot of people don't know. So there is healing in the Black Sand Beach when you go lay down in it.
So you go lay down in it?
Then we have to go down the Black Sand Beach.
So what healing you get?
Sure. Heal my body, take out pain and all sorts of things, other healing. It's very good, sister. It's very good.
It can't take away fat.
It can't take away what?
PHAT, fat.
The man Milton. I'm a Milton, my name again. Linton. Linton, don't tell us that fat like first time.
No. Only me can talk about your fat. Linton cannot speak about it.
Plus, they love to be personal, sister.
Yes, but only me you can talk about your fat. I wouldn't invest.
We don't understand the scale of the clinic because it's still not move. So we don't understand how they take off weight. All of me clothes when they look. And maybe every time I start work hard, now some of their muscles. Hey! What is this? My God!
What is the scale saying?
My son, nobody go down there. Let me go that great hill where I come from now.
How far to the right the needle going?
Let me go that great hill. NIS money.
Father Noah.
What they say pay on the Thursday for the people in the pension.
Yes.
The people then go this morning, not the money down on our post office at Green Hill.
But today is what? The
13th? Not a pension NIS money they don't get.
By when it normally reach down there?
They say when it come Thursday, Ghana. And the people then go on there today.
Thursday meaning yesterday?
Yesterday, Thursday, kuya.
Yeah, so they have to wait a little bit.
We have to leave it now, which time, sister. You know, your anti-flavor is about just real. Or you have to wait for the money, sister.
The measures, them don't come in yet. Them don't come in yet.
Lord Jesus, stand up on people and earthquake soon come kill we have anti-flavor put on tax. Hey, my next thing I know, don't orange beer, sister. You know, the first time I one time garbage move, the one time I must be 4 truck come move garbage. No garbage no come down the orange beer. No garbage truck no come pick up no garbage done there. Me here. I mean no good on there. Me hear this one. So me they ask to call the people them about the garbage, their sister. Make the people them country got the people them garbage. Sister, me hear you they talk about the pedophilia man, Peter Espin, who one name, up a foreign day.
Jeffrey.
Sister, you never know that these rich people are pedophiles them.
They're what?
They are pedophiles them. You never know that these rich people.
They are pedophiles?
Yes, they are pedophiles. They love people like a pit, you know, sister. They don't want to be one, you know. So they don't want no responsibility, sister. I don't know if you're not laughing, you know.
Mrs. Fuller?
You understand me?
Hold on a second.
Let me
Hold on. Mrs. Fuller, the 13th of February, 2026, 11:27, new word, pedophilia. Pedophilia.
I want to think car flash it today.
Say the word again and say, what is the meaning?
Want to think car flash it today. Want to think car flash. You know, don't tell me last week.
Yes. Say the word again for me. What? What part of speech is it, ma'am?
Oh.
God, I know. What you say? Pedophilia?
What I tell people pitney? Pedophilia them.
Yes, so it is people who trouble people pitney. That is the meaning.
Man, then what I tell people pitney? Pedophilia them, man. And then if you get enough, they're Jamaica, you know. Because they start with the pedophilia as a foreigner. When they come, when the boats come here, they carry nastiness come here too. A lot of pedophilia are Jamaica. That's just small people pitney gone.
It is bad. I've never seen anything like this, though. The man document everything, you know.
Like the man. You like the man.
Eh?
The man was the dirty linen and they kill him. Because all such man, you know, he mean like, you know. Such man was it.
No, me no know, bruh.
You can't know nobody that is so. Nobody that is so at all.
Not nice at all. All secret camera.
The condition is very terrible. Understand, you have your picking now as they go to school, you have to watch to see if they come home. Because there is a lot of pedophilia all of the 14 parish of Jamaica. They pack up Jamaica now. Because they used to the foreign life thing which other people pick so they carry back here.
So sad.
And the thing we don't understand is this government and this one alone. When these people come from foreign country, they not talk what they do. You don't know who in your area. You don't know if they're a murderer. You don't know if they're a pedophile. You don't know nothing at all about them. We don't take a fat picnic on and what. You don't even know they beat their woman or they beat their man. You don't know either. And that's how one is common disease too. Woman they beat man and man they beat woman. It's a very terrible thing they want.
It is.
Then sister home.
Sickening.
I want to you.
Yes, man, me hearing you. Then sister, oh, yes, ma. Well, you have it. Hold on a second. Hold on. Yes, Miss Lucy.
Sister, what the heap of pussy they go on in this country?
What is this now? What is this? Why you say that?
It's flow they charge the people them money and they not get no flow service in a hand over here. I mean, you say other parish have the problem. You know, sister, pay a thief in the go on here.
But
So
you have to come meet with Flo.
You have little post, you have medium-sized post, and you have baby post. What a heap of post really go on here? This time right, you know. Did you sell now work good? Flow now work good, and you still have to pay a 7-day plan for digital. And the other people, they want to put on plan. And the people, them to get their internet. Sister, you know, almost somebody hand over, you lose their work. Because they do online work and flow. Now get no service for some. Until no and flow, so the people, they must still pay bills, sister. No, sister, that's a thieving.
Wait, no. They need to, they have to go make the complaint. So we will probably try and get somebody. But what about...
No, you need to get flow, but that's not bad.
But what about Starlink? You have any Starlink?
Me, sister. And the people they tell me, me don't got Starlink coming out. It's me the private in my house. People that see that foreign. Me don't want to be hard.
Who tell you that?
Nobody else, sister. I want everybody that talk about me.
What
them? Nobody watch me in your house.
What them say?
They say if you have the Starlink in your yard, anything you do in your house private, then see it apparent.
Like,
so when video my place,
like who is seeing it? Elon Musk?
I don't know. Nobody say where you come from up there, so they can track you and watch you, can they put your power on satellite there, say.
Well,
and people when they recruit, just like when you go out a hotel go work, you're the past shift, and then watch you and tape it is me.
Well,
no, nothing.
For your life so boring, I don't think anybody would be interested.
Hey,
you have to go dress up like a...
You know, I've been watching things on my yard, you know. You know, the internet thing, you know, because I'm sending a plan for my digital phone.
And people are watching.
Phone with the floor. You know, I'm the thinking there. Sister, the next thing, no. Wait a minute, I remember if I tell you this one, yeah. Miss Campbell on a home, buried 2 weeks ago. And yesterday, the staff was killing some teacher predominant, no teacher in a school. Writer at the Lucy Library. Lick him off and bicycle kill him right there, so sister. 2 weeks ago, in my buried. What me say to you? So me say condolence to your family. It's your sister. You bury him 2 weeks ago and you dead. Yes, sister. The people that were power off now, with the barrels them now. That is an exposure. Sister, you cannot call you tell us that the barrel is here, so come for it. They call you and tell us that the barrel arrived, but the container not clear yet. So you have to clear the storage fee. What can go for, sister? What kind of nonsense what kind of rubbishness then they go on this island here?
So how long them take to strip the container?
I don't know, sister, but me they tell us there 2-3 months now people don't get no barrel or box no, sister.
No, I think there was a backlog with the hurricane relief that caused some things to be delayed, but it's not normally like that. And they probably should waive storage fee if the hurricane relief delay the stripping of the container. But let me see who we can talk to about that. So which this is Kingston, you say?
No, it's Kingston. I want to be with the sister.
So what kind of barrel come for you now?
They know the people that send stamp sitting come, so I have to collect sitting. But it's not me alone, other people that make reports to me, sister. Do you understand me? Me have right now about 20 people information on my phone. Me can pass it on to you. Not at all. But what I am wondering, I really want to say, wonder if, you see, sister, they walk because they here, so you know, go pay money. The people that have business place, they send out to them free. And the poor people want to live up there.
But how
they
going to know if you're poor, especially you? When them see your name, Miss Lucy, how they going to know if you are poor? And when you're rich in the spirit?
I'm rich in the spirit of God.
Yes.
God is good.
Yes.
But where do you get money from? And then you hear your friend, they go talk. So some of them not talk about certain things because they get politicians. Then they get things from politicians. I want to tell your friends that me not get nothing from politicians. Can I give one phone card and not give me a minute, give me credit from America and England.
And Mr. Hales. And Mr. Hales give you things. Ian. Ian Hales give you something. Mr. Hales not give you something. Ian Hales.
And one time he give me the grocery here for Ian Hales funny wing, sister. Don't call Ian Hales not name to me.
Me never follow.
One time.
Why?
He give me the grocery. And he give me one bottle, 2 bottles, one red wine and one rum cream. For my birthday. 2 years now, me here for Ian Hales again. No call him name to me again. Me don't want to hear his name.
Sorry, bruh. Sorry, bruh. Me think it was a big friend.
My mother used to tell me, say, man has scared through the world. Man has not scared through the world 2026. No money, you have to care through the world. Because you have money, go hide your face.
Oh.
They ever say to you. So me not getting anything for nobody. In a storm at Reverend Glenn Wycliffe in a United Church and 2 bags of something company. Nobody else give me anything.
And you get barrel from the gentleman come at your yard.
And Lincoln brings, no, he give me the things and to give a sister and to me them.
But you're going to take one.
When they call me for things, I can't take them, sister.
But you can take one of the bags, I'm sure.
No, sister, why you have to eat, sister? I like things mackerel and things. You never not seen enough, sister.
Eh?
Me like those things. Sister, I eat chicken and fish.
I know chicken.
I like starfish and I like salt mackerel either, sister.
Okay.
If me eat starfish, me head hurt me. I never eat salt mackerel.
Oh.
Just like off of me, but I never eat lobster if you don't know it yet.
Why?
No, sister, I'm not sure them if no good, sister, not really clean at them, sister. Me can't like those things. Me can't like them as something, sister.
That take we straight back to Acts.
Nobody will you know. Me see a people you when talk about.
Yes.
A people, sister.
I agree it was people. But
Leviticus 11 tell we have to eat and we have to eat. And if you go to Genesis 7, when Noah when they put in the animal, them in the ark, in putting two unclean and said master clean. Think about it.
But Jesus.
But unclean one them breathe very fast.
Yes, the incarnate.
He can breathe plenty.
Jesus incarnate come to save all away. Every animal,
Not
every Gentile.
Not a thing no go and everything no to eat. And I got to tell you something. I went to a Jehovah's Witness funeral the other day. And me look funny and me say to me, say, all my years ago at church, you sit on all 3-4 hours in a church. Sister, 45 minutes in funeral. Me don't want to funeral like that and be like, I don't know if me want to go now, sister. Me sit on all 5 hours to one funeral.
Yes.
No man like you up this style now.
You like the 45 minutes?
5 minutes, sister, one somebody put no chat on it too.
That is it. Well, yes. Or military funeral as well. I went to what's his name? Former commissioner of police there, Trevor Macmillan, at Opar Camp. His was only 1 hour. In and out.
How much our funeral they gone? And they gone and they gone. When they somebody they realize do something for them. But sister, why you know say we kid when you was alive, some family no business with you. And when then they put you in a gold casket, sister. Some of the people they never wear jacket, suit and pretty frock. And some big frock. And when they're dead, people are going to have the big frock and this jacket suit, sister. You know, see how wickedness. Anything on me father and they give me that and they tell me brother foreign, you know. He said, brother, anything that they give me, no, brother, give me no, because guess what? The Bible says when you're dead, you're going nothing at all. So when they tell me no what they want, anything that me I know. They keep to indulge with me. Let me strong. That's when the earthquake comes, the big one come, you can't stand up our room. I'll stand up our hide.
What about when the rapture comes?
The rapture? You know, God to help me through it. And God presents me as a living sacrifice, holy and acceptable unto God.
Holy and acceptable unto God.
Talking about that.
Yeah.
You know, going to the man tell life on me which they are.
And what?
They said they have this principal at Green Island School. Mr. Answer Brown. Very good principal, retired principal. I'm Elder Lucy said the Adventist Church. The man sick and me come and tell Mr. Molly. Say the man sick. At church, I said Lucy 7 days every Sabbath, you know. After me left Brixton 7 days, we go to Andrews, 7 day Adventist Church. Let Andrews and we come and Lucy 7 days. You remember how many churches, you know, sister?
No, Jesus.
So every day I go after you, you know, every Sunday morning, you know. But listen to me now. Then said in a church Sabbath say, Mr. Answer want blood and he's sick. Me go and make up my read and tell Mr. Mullins. One church woman say, me tell Mr. Mullins say, Elder Answer Brown, former principal, bishop, dead. And the woman say, yes, this is up on radio, you know. How when the people in the tell her, say, no, me no. She say, yes, and 2 more say, yes, that's what me say. Hey, sister, after the reason why online church, we have to resort to because I don't want to go to jail and lose the faith, you know, sister.
Yeah, but what?
People like, I don't know, sister.
Yes, but what you
That's why I remember 14 churches.
what you have to how many disciples Jesus had?
Not 12, sister, and Judas.
And Judas, Peter,
And Peter.
who loved him as well. Deny him.
And deny him 3 times as it a fool.
So who are you that somebody mustn't tell lie upon you? Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
Have a great weekend.
Thank you, Lincoln. Pick up yourself over Kentucky.
What you call up Lincoln? What you have to tell me?
What?
When you call up Lincoln name to start and to finish, what is happening? Tell me next week. I'm up on a break.